Hello everyone. The Point of Sale Advanced Product Sorting app is a module which is used to organize the product in the point of sale system based on the various criteria such as sales, creation date, price or name, and customized view by displaying or hiding a total product sales. So for that we need to complete some point of sale configuration. So let's get into the configurations for point of sale, where we can see an option for advanced product sorting feature. So there we can see an option to enable and product sales count. Product sales count feature enables to focus on most popular product by displaying the sales count only for those products that have a sales count greater than the set threshold. And also the user can see an another option like new label for an product. If you have enabled this checkbox, it will add or show a new label for the product, those who are created after the selected creation date. Okay, so here we have select and creation date. After that date, if you have created any products, it will be tagged as a new. Okay, you can see it will automatically create a new tag and it will be add a new tag in that particular product. Okay, so now let's see how it actually works by getting into endpoint of sale. Now let's open a new session. Here in the point of sale screen, user can see and some products are marked as new. Okay, so let's get into the product screen because this products will be created on today. Okay, so the thing is in the settings we can see that it will show a new label for the product those who are created after the selected date. That is, we have selected on date 9, so it will show a new tag in the product which after that selected date. So it will show a new tag for the product, these two products which are created by today. Okay, so in the point of sale screen you can see these two products are created by today, so it will showing a new tag. And if you have created a new product, okay, so for example if I have created a new product named mouse, okay, and I have marked this as a storable product, you can see, and automatically it will take and today's date. Okay, so in the point of sale screen you can see when I refresh this point of sale screen, you can see that this product is also marked as new tag. Okay, now we can see and purpose of this one. And now let's see and purpose of product sales count. Okay, so for example if I have choose this product and make in sales, okay, I have created an on order with this particular product. Now I have created an second one. Okay, now let's create an third order. Now user can see and count will be here based on that configurations that we have made. That is, in product sales count feature, if you have enabled this option, it will be focused on the most popular product by displaying in sales count only for those products that have a sales count greater than the selected threshold. Okay, so from here you can see I have selected n2 and I have made and sales 3, so it will showing and count right away here. Okay. So after installing this module, user can see an another sorting option in the point of sale screen, which will help user to sort by using A to Z form and Z to A form, and also you can see in price ascending order wise and descending order wise, and you can see in sales count wise. Okay, you can see an order by using in sales count and also the creation date. These three are the products which we have created. Now it will be a newly created one, so it will be filtered out based on the creation date. So in this way we can make use of this module to organize the product in the point of sale system. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about a point of sale feature, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have. Thanks for watching.